Hello there, Ocean Explorer. Ready to see my tiny but powerful defense? I'm called a boxer crab, and these aren't just decorations. I use sea anemones like boxing gloves. These anemones have stinging cells that help protect me from predators. When danger comes close, I'm ready to fight back. If I lose one, I can even split the other to grow a new pair. Pretty clever, right? If you enjoyed this amazing ocean fact, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible discoveries from the sea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next underwater adventure. Goodbye.